Measurement of temperature. Take 3 container bowls. Put cold water in one, hot water in the second, and lukewarm water in the third container. Dip your right hand fingers in the cold water and left hand fingers in the hot water. Keep them for a minute or two. Now take out the fingers and dip them quickly in the bowl of lukewarm water. You will feel that lukewarm water is not equally hot to both the hands. Hence, our sense of touch does not provide us information about the exact estimation of hotness or coldness. It can only give us the relative feeling of hotness or coldness of a body.
The degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. A cold glass of water with ice in it is at a lower temperature than a hot cup of tea which is at higher temperature. The temperature is measured by using a device called thermometer. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, but commonly used units of temperature are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. A thermometer has 2 standard markings on its glass tube. These are called lower fixed point and upper fixed point. Lower fixed point. Lower fixed point indicates the temperature at which the ice melts, and upper fixed point indicates the temperature at which the water boils.
Clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the human body at home, clinics, and hospitals. A clinical thermometer indicates temperature from a minimum of 35 degrees Celsius or 94 degrees Fahrenheit to a maximum of 42 degrees Celsius or 108 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature of the body does not go beyond this temperature range. The normal temperature of a human body is 37 degrees Celsius. The bore of the clinical thermometer is very fine, and there is a kink or a constriction just above the bulb. The mercury above the kink stays where it is and does not drop. This helps us to read the temperature conveniently. After taking the reading, the mercury is brought back to the bulb by jerking the thermometer. A temperature scale is defined by choosing 2 reference temperatures and dividing the difference between these 2 temperatures into a certain number of divisions.
Laboratory thermometer is used for measuring the temperature in a science laboratory. This thermometer has marking from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius.